Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is the Benny Yashua channel. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe into my channel. Today we're going to discuss how to fix under the sink. So we have damage here that I tried to fix it, but it's not working out, so I have to open this thing because something's wrong with the trap. Do you see it? Look.
Yeah.
This is leaking, so I have to take everything apart. Come look over here. Okay, and it's really uncomfortable. And this is a 1.5 inch. And they tied this up so hard that it won't open. So I'm gonna use the wrench to open it. It's not coming out. So yeah, now it's opening because it was really tight and that was a problem. Now, what the problem is that the problem is here. This is the problem right here. And I need to figure out a way to take it out because I think it's clogged inside. So what we're gonna do first, we have to take everything apart. See, this one even. It's not setting the right way, and I have to take this one out. And in order to take that out, I have to open this because I think this is clogged too, right here. And this is the replacement. So see what they did wrong. They should have done it like this, and then the pin. That's what the problem is. So how I'm gonna take that out? I have to unscrew this here, right here, and then I don't know if this is the right key, but if I don't unscrew this whole thing is clogged. Are you watching? Get closer here, you'll see. And what I gotta do is open this because here, that's where it's clogged. See, I gotta open. Boom. See? Okay. So now I gotta open. Now you can do it with the hand. See, they did this wrong. Look. See, that's the problem. See that? And that's when you put the thing. Look how dirty it is. All clogged. It's no good. You put this aside. I got the new one. The new one's the same size, but it's better. And you just follow the, see, you have to follow exactly like that. Okay, look, you have to put it just the way, see, that shows. You put it in here, just like that. That's like this. See, and then you're gonna have the hook here. So where's the hook? Let's picture it so that we don't make a mistake. Okay, look. Just like the picture shows, we got the hook there. We're gonna close it, right? And now this comes this way. See, this is the problem. That's how it's supposed to be. So, how are we gonna do it? This has to be here, and we have a gap between this and this. So, the gap is, we need, see, it's a problem. That's why they use this, see? So I can use this, okay? And but I wanted a new one. Why? So that okay, but I gotta close this first. See, it's the problem. I need 2 inches here. If I had 2 inches here. Don't touch. Why are you touching that? Okay, let's first close this back. Okay, I got the bushing. Also, the bushings were damaged in the other one, so that was the other problem. So now we're gonna close it back. Closed. Now we're gonna use this to make the loop. I'm not gonna use the new one here because I need this one, right? Okay, so now let's examine this, what it says. There's a, you see here, so, and I need one, okay, the bushing goes this way, see, we need this is new, see, and we need the second bushing on the other side. See, this is a brand new bushing. Okay, so let's see. Like this. Where's the new? Is this one? Yeah. I see. I need this. I need to fit like that. And this, you see. If I fit into a new one, it would be much better. Give me a second. How's this going? This goes in like this, right? And this goes like that. You put this first, and then you gotta put the bushing